Healthy lemon blueberry cake.
Do you ever wish you could achieve the body and health of your dreams while still indulging in delicious treats but worry about sabotaging your goals? What if we could make guilt-free desserts together? As a foodie myself, I know how tough it can be to resist tempting, decadent treats. It's almost impossible sometimes. After struggling with depriving myself and unhealthy eating habits, I finally discovered ingredients that let me indulge in delicious treats while still achieving amazing fitness results. Indulgence, body goals, let me show you how you can achieve both. Hello, I'm so happy you joined me today. Get ready for a healthy and delicious adventure. First things first, I'll switch on my oven and line my tin. I have attached a video on how I line my baking tin. Ingredients: 3 cups oat flour, supports weight loss and it's full of fiber. 1 teaspoon baking powder already added. 4 cups blueberries. 230 grams low-fat cream cheese for the frosting. 1 cup xylitol for the cake. 1 tablespoon for the blueberry sauce. 1 cup powdered xylitol for the frosting. Xylitol, a GI of 7, cane sugar a whopping 60 to 70. Xylitol 2.4 calories per gram, cane sugar 4 calories per gram. It's important to know that excessive consumption can lead to digestive issues. Xylitol is toxic to dogs, so keep it away from your pets. There's a wide selection of sugar substitutes to choose from. 1 cup milk. Half a cup freshly squeezed lemon juice for the cake. 2 tablespoons for the frosting and 6 tablespoons for the blueberry sauce. 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons lemon zest. I made this from 2 regular sized lemons. If you have excess, you can store in the refrigerator for 1 week or freezer for 3 months. 2 tablespoons vanilla essence. And now let's move to method. Wash the blueberries thoroughly. I also rinse them using my fingertips to remove any invisible film or dirt on them. Blueberries are a superfood packed with potent antioxidants and they support weight loss. Cook the blueberries on medium heat to make the blueberry sauce. Add 3/4 cups of xylitol sweetener. You may add more or less depending on your sweetness preference. Because xylitol has low caloric content, low glycemic index, and some prebiotic properties, it's one of the best choices for those wanting to shed some weight or maintain blood sugar levels. Add 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is juice of 2 medium-sized lemons. Then stir. As with most fruits, the blueberries will go through the pectinylation process where they will release pectin, which will act as a thickening agent for the sauce. The process is fundamental to jam making, and we will be relying on it heavily when we create our healthy homemade jams and preserves. Without sufficient pectin, the jam may remain runny and not set properly. Once the blueberry sauce has become saucy, set aside and cool. Now mix the oat flour with the baking powder. Oat is nutritious, it has low GI and provides sustained energy. Now I'm going to mix the coconut oil with the xylitol. You may replace xylitol with any low-calorie, low-GI sweetener that you prefer. Now combine the sweetener with the coconut oil. Blend well. You may go ahead and use a hand whisk or a blender for quicker blending. Add the eggs to the coconut oil mixture and whisk. Blend well. At this time, add the oat flour and baking powder mixture to the egg mixture. Add the flour gradually. Elevate that flour bowl a little higher, allowing it to float down gently like a soft cloud. This technique helps incorporate air. By adding the flour slowly and elevating, we are creating those tiny air pockets that are essential for achieving a tender, light texture in our cake. All-purpose wheat flour has more elasticity and rises easily. Oats flour, however, tends to be more dense and flat. By entrapping air, you can counter this and achieve a lighter, fluffier texture. Now slowly add milk and blend. With every step, avoid overmixing. Excessive mixing knocks out the air bubbles. It's best to mix just until the ingredients are combined. Oats flour, as opposed to all-purpose flour, offers more fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. This supports your optimal health goals. Add the lemon juice. Add the lemon zest. This will enhance the lemon flavor and make your cake more aromatic, citrusy, and lemony for the most amazing sensory experience while enjoying the cake. Add the vanilla essence. Bake in a preheated oven. While the cake is baking, prepare the low-fat cream cheese frosting. Gradually add the low-calorie sweetener, in this case I used xylitol, to the low-fat cream cheese.
The primary mechanism to weight loss is consuming fewer calories than you burn. Low-fat cream cheese and xylitol reduce the calorie density of the frosting.
The cake is now baked and cooled. I'm now thinly removing the crusted top of the cake to make the frosting stick for easy sandwiching of the cakes. It's so fluffy, soft, and spongy, so it will require super gentle hands so as to not disintegrate it. Yum! Now I'm getting my frosting consistency ready. It must be spreadable, not stiff. It can harden a bit after being in the fridge and it needs a little whisk. Time to spread the frosting. So I cut each of the two cakes in half. So I have 4 separate quarters of the cake. I will stack them on top of each other to make a 4-layer cake. How you layer is entirely up to you. Spread the first layer of the frosting. Then add the blueberry sauce. Spread evenly. Place another quarter of the cake on the cake with frosting and blueberry sauce. Repeat the process. The cake is so airy and fluffy, so it might be a little bit tricky. Be gentle as you spread the frosting on it. It might also be easier to use a piping bag to pipe the frosting systematically over the cake and gently evening it out instead of doing like I'm doing, which is spreading it. Spread the blueberry sauce, add the last quarters of the cake.
Now it's time to add the final layer of the frosting. We don't add the blueberry sauce at this time, so it's just the finishing touches. Spread it evenly on top and on the sides. It will set everything in. So as we wrap up to this baking adventure, let's toast to a slice of guilt-free cake. We have just crafted a treat full of pure, unadulterated happy health. By swapping out refined flour for wholesome oat flour, using xylitol, which is low in calories, supports healthy blood sugar levels, and adding those bursts of vibrant blueberries packed with antioxidants to help your body glow from the inside out, not forgetting that topping of creamy low-fat frosting, you've ensured that this cake is friendly to your waistline and your energy levels, so you can live your best and happy life while you indulge.
Very pleasing to the sense of taste. Aromatic, lemony, delicious, fresh. I implore you to try it, and please let me know in the comments how it turned out. I thank you so much for making time to join me. I just couldn't stop eating. I couldn't stop eating. See you next time.